crew, welcome to our kitchen and the salon. I have been avoiding this for 15 years, but I'm finally gonna let my wife cut my hair. All right. So
I'm so excited.
How many hairstylists have I had in my whole life? Do you know?
3.
5. Jan, Annette, Danny, Kristen, and Annie. All right, so we're just gonna do the sides, right?
Okay. What?
I don't know if I'm ready for this.
How do you turn this on?
Okay.
How do I hold this?
I don't know. Don't.
I gotta start over
so
here.
Nervous.
Okay. Where do we hold you? Alright. No, it's okay. It's okay. I just start here. Does that hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt. I'm gonna start crying soon.
I don't know where to hold you.
I can hold my head up. What do you mean? No, what do you don't say oops.
It's fine, it's fine.
What happened?
Well, like, I don't know if I like tip it or I just go straight up. I think I just go straight up.
What?
I don't know. I think so.
It's supposed to be short.
Okay, that's short.
What? Why are you pushing it in so hard?
This is gonna be really good.
I want to see.
No, you don't. Just don't.
No,
you don't need to look.
You haven't gotten to the top though, right?
Well, no. I don't know how I should do this.
Just, I don't want to have like a line at the. Just don't cut the long part.
What do you mean the long part?
Like the stuff that goes, it's tied
No.
up.
That's why it's tied up.
It should
Do
be,
I just follow your head like that, or do I go
Well, it
straight
should be
up?
the same. Yeah, follow my head. It should be the same length all the way to
It's okay. I got this. Does that feel right?
the. Yeah. What are you gonna do right there? Like.
Well, I know that's what the problem is. I don't know how to get this part. I just don't want to mess up.
Maybe you need.
Because when I go, it pushes the hair forward, and I don't want to like go too far. So should I come at it this way?
From the top down?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
I won't.
Oh.
'Cause it's okay. There.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is fun.
This is not fun.
How come you're sweating?
This is the opposite of fun.
This is my dream.
Yeah, it's my nightmare. This is exactly my nightmare. My hands are so sweaty.
Okay. So now I'm gonna go back through and try to clean up this line. How does she do this part?
Should we FaceTime her?
No. Got it.
Still looks a little goofy.
Well, I know. I'm not done. I'm trying to figure out how to get that.
Yeah, so I take my scissors and I go on the other. So I go on the other side of him. So go on the other side and tip his head, and you're gonna come around and clip it.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
So you're gonna cut this side.
Yeah. She said, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Just let down the top.
Yep. Right.
Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell.
Oh, wait.
No. If you like this video, you can repeat after me. If you like this video,
If you like this video,
give it a thumbs up,
give it a thumbs up,
subscribe,
subscribe,
and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos.
and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos.
See you next week.